Hey guys, my name is Andy and I'm so excited to share my journey with you. For years, I struggled with my weight, and no matter what I tried, I just couldn't seem to shed those extra pounds. I tried every diet under the sun, but I always ended up feeling deprived and hungry. That's when I decided to take a different approach and focus on boosting my metabolism. That's right, I fixed my metabolism and now I eat anything I want and still stay fit and lean. And I'm not just talking about eating salads and grilled chicken, I'm talking about burgers, pizza, ice cream, you name it. I'm here to share my fat loss tips and how to have a killer metabolism with you. I want to show you how to lose weight without starving yourself and how to have abs while eating anything you want. I know how frustrating it can be to feel like you're doing everything right, but not seeing results. So, if you want to know how to boost metabolism for fat loss, have a faster metabolism, and fix a slow metabolism, then stick around. I'll be sharing my secrets for losing fat and having a faster metabolism workout in no time. Eating a lot of protein has been a game changer for me in terms of reducing the amount of weight I carry and getting my metabolism back in working order. Not only did it assist me in the process of building lean muscle, but it also helped me feel full and content for a longer period of time, which was a significant aid in warding off my urges to overeat. I used to be someone who didn't get enough protein, and as a result, I would find myself munching on junk food throughout the day because I always felt hungry. But after I started eating more protein, I saw a significant change in my body. Not only was I able to keep up my energy levels, but I also felt like my body had more definition and was less flabby. Foods like chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt, and beans are some of my favorites when it comes to getting a lot of protein in a single serving. These are all relatively simple additions that you can make to your regular meals that will help you feel full and satisfied throughout the day while also improving your metabolism. If you're looking for an easy approach to repair your metabolism and lose weight without constantly feeling like you're starving, one surefire way to do both of those things is to make sure you get plenty of protein in your diet. Another tool that I found really helpful in fixing my metabolism and losing weight is caffeine. Not only does caffeine give you a burst of energy, but it can also help boost your metabolism and increase fat burning through its thermogenic effect on the body. I started incorporating caffeine into my routine, and it really helped me stay focused and energized throughout the day while also supporting my weight loss goals. However, it's important to consume caffeine in moderation, as too much can cause negative side effects like jitters and anxiety. I like to get my caffeine from sources like coffee and tea, and I make sure to limit myself to 1 or 2 cups per day. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your metabolism and support your weight loss goals, consider adding some caffeine into your routine. Just remember to consume it in moderation. Reducing your body fat percentage is a crucial step in fixing your metabolism and improving your overall health. When you have a higher body fat percentage, your metabolism slows down, and it becomes more challenging to lose weight and keep it off. I learned this lesson through personal experience and began focusing on losing body fat through a calorie deficit and incorporating strength training. By tracking my calories and making sure I was eating in a calorie deficit, I was able to lose body fat and boost my metabolism. Additionally, I found that strength training was an excellent way to build lean muscle mass and further increase my metabolism. If you're looking to reduce your body fat percentage, start by tracking your calories and focusing on creating a calorie deficit. Incorporating strength training exercises into your routine can also be a helpful way to build lean muscle and boost your metabolism even further. With time and dedication, you can reduce your body fat percentage, fix your metabolism, and achieve your weight loss goals. When it comes to healthy eating, I believe that buying organic produce is an important factor to consider. Organic fruits and vegetables are grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, which can be harmful to both our bodies and the environment. Plus, some studies have suggested that organic produce may have a higher nutrient content than conventionally grown produce. Personally, I've noticed a positive impact on my overall health and weight loss journey after incorporating more organic produce into my diet. I love visiting my local farmers market to find fresh, organic produce at a reasonable price. But if you're on a budget, don't worry. There are ways to prioritize which produce items to buy organic and which ones you can skip. For example, produce with thick skins or peels, like bananas or avocados, are typically less affected by pesticides and can be purchased conventionally. On the other hand, produce with thin skins, like berries and leafy greens, tend to absorb more pesticides and are good options to buy organic when possible. Drinking enough water is crucial for weight loss and maintaining a healthy metabolism. When I started my weight loss journey, I didn't realize the impact that staying hydrated can have on your metabolism. Drinking water can help suppress appetite, reduce water retention, and aid in digestion, all of which can contribute to weight loss. When I increased my water intake, I noticed a significant improvement in my weight loss progress, as well as feeling more energized throughout the day. I found that incorporating water into my daily routine was easy by carrying a refillable water bottle with me wherever I go and setting reminders on my phone to drink water throughout the day. Additionally, adding a slice of lemon or cucumber to my water can make it more enjoyable to drink. It's important to note that sugary drinks like soda and juice should be avoided as they can actually dehydrate you and lead to weight gain. So, if you're looking to boost your metabolism and aid in weight loss, start by drinking more water and you may be surprised at the results. Cutting out alcohol completely can have a significant impact on your metabolism and weight loss journey. Not only does alcohol have a lot of empty calories, but it also slows down metabolism and can cause you to store more fat. I personally experienced the negative effects of alcohol on my weight loss journey and decided to cut it out completely. Since then, I have noticed a significant difference in my energy levels, ability to burn fat, and overall health. Cutting out alcohol may seem daunting, but there are many alternative ways to socialize without drinking. I found that participating in outdoor activities, like hiking or playing sports, or simply going out for a coffee or meal with friends helped me stay on track with my goals. If you're looking to cut out alcohol, it can be helpful to have a support system in place and to remind yourself of the positive impact it can have on your health and metabolism. Getting enough sleep is a critical component of maintaining a healthy metabolism and achieving weight loss goals. I used to think that staying up late and waking up early would give me more time to work out or get things done. However, I quickly learned that sacrificing sleep was not worth it. When I started prioritizing sleep and getting 7 to 8 hours of rest each night, I noticed a significant improvement in my energy levels and ability to stick to a healthy eating and exercise routine. Research has shown that lack of sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances and increased levels of stress hormones, which can contribute to weight gain and a slower metabolism. To get better sleep, I try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, and avoid screens before bedtime. I also make my bedroom as dark and quiet as possible to promote a restful environment. By getting adequate sleep, I'm able to support my metabolism and maintain a healthy weight without feeling the need to resort to extreme dieting or exercise measures. If you're like me and you're looking to boost your metabolism and burn fat, interval training cardio can be a game changer. I'm not the type of person who wants to spend hours on a treadmill or stationary bike every day, and that's where interval training comes in. It involves alternating between high-intensity exercise and periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise, and it can help you burn more calories and fat in less time than steady-state cardio. When I started incorporating interval training into my workouts, I noticed a significant improvement in my metabolism and weight loss journey. My body started to change, and I was getting leaner and more toned than ever before. Plus, interval training was much more fun than traditional cardio, and I enjoyed the challenge of pushing myself to my limits and then recovering. There are many ways to do interval training, and you can get creative with your workouts. Some examples of interval training workouts include running sprints, cycling sprints, or doing high-intensity exercises like burpees or jumping jacks followed by brief periods of rest. I like to mix it up and do a variety of exercises so that my body doesn't get used to the same routine. To incorporate interval training into a weekly routine, I aim to do 2 or 3 interval workouts per week, with at least 1 day of rest in between to allow my body to recover. This gives me the flexibility to focus on strength training or other types of exercise on the other days, while still getting the benefits of interval training. Plus, I find that I have more energy throughout the day and I sleep better at night when I'm incorporating interval training into my routine. Overall, if you're looking for a fun and effective way to boost your metabolism and burn fat, interval training is definitely worth a try.